You all appreciate it.
Tupac actually believed that he would not only not be here long, he believed that he would be murdered by someone that he did not know. He believed that he would be murdered by someone who wasn't a huge, big, important person, but it would be, as he said, a nobody and anybody will walk up to him and, take him out. Because Tupac believed that anybody could be touched. And by touched, he meant that's the whole point. You know what I mean? Is if you can be touched, that's it. You can be killed.
DJ Khaled.
Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, when I was young, me and my mama had beef. 17 years old, kicked out on the streets. Though back at the time, I never thought I'd see her face. Ain't a woman alive that could take my mama's place. Suspended from school, I'm scared to go home. I was a fool with the big boys breaking all the rules. Shed tears with my baby sister. Over the years, we was poor than other little kids. And even though we had different daddies, the same drama when things went wrong, we blame mama. I reminisce on the stress I caused. It was hell, hugging on my mama from my jail cell. And who thinking elementary? Hey, I see the penitentiary one day. Running from the police, that's right. Mama catch me, put a book into my backside. Yeah, mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, don't cry, your baby boy's doing good. Tell the homies I'm in heaven and they ain't got hoods. Seen a show with Marvin Gaye last night. It had me shook, drinking peppermint snot with Jackie Wilson and Sam Cooke. Then there's some lady named Billie Holiday sang, sitting there kicking it from Malcolm till the day came. Little Natasha show grown, tell a lady in the liquor store that she's forgiven. So come home, maybe in time you'll understand. Only God can save us. When Miles Davis cutting loose with the band. Just think all the people that you knew in the past that passed on. They in heaven found peace that lasts. Picture a place that they exist together. There has to be a place better than this in heaven. So right before I sleep, dear God, what I'm asking, remember this face, save me a place in God's hands. Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Ain't nobody tell us it was fair. No love from my daddy cause the coward wasn't there. He passed away and I didn't cry cause my anger wouldn't let me feel for a stranger. They say I'm wrong and I'm heartless, but all along I was looking for a father, he was gone. I hung around with the thugs, and even though they sold drugs, they showed a young brother love. I moved out, started really hanging. I needed money of my own, so I started slanging. I ain't guilty cause even though I sell rocks, it feels good putting money in your mailbox. I love paying rent and the rents too. I hope you got the diamond necklace that I sent to you. Cause when I was low, you was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. And I can see you coming home after work late. You're in the kitchen trying to fix us a hot plate. You're just working with the scraps you was given. And mama made miracles every Thanksgiving. But now the road got rough, you're alone. You're trying to raise two bad kids on your own. And there's no way I can pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it. Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, I'm a man now. I wanna make it on my own, not a handout. I wanna go in peace when I gotta die. Ain't no love, no mercy, and no friend. Dear mama, I'm a man now.
I wish that my son was here.
And dear mama,
I miss him. I miss my son.
you all appreciate it.